Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be learning how to use the ti30xs. I am so excited for tomorrow. I have another GED test, and then at the end of March I have hopefully my final GED test. But yeah, this is the only calculator I can bring in with me to the testing center, so I need to learn how to do it. And the math is going to be heavy on the math test, of course. It's going to be light on the science test because that's what I'm taking tomorrow. And I just want to be more prepared how to use it. So stick around. But there's one thing that is kind of bad. I don't know where the instructions are. I found 2 instruction books, right? But then I have this calculator. This calculator is the ti30xs. And the thing is that the manual, the instructions only have the ti30xs, and it's not the ti30xs, which is confusing. Like, they're different. So I don't know what I'm missing there, but I'm gonna have to look it up online. But yeah, let's see. Hey guys, I've been off camera for a little bit trying to learn the calculator, and I did learn a lot. So I have a lot more to do, but I'm going to share with you guys how I learned to put in mixed numbers as well as turning those mixed numbers into decimals. So the first thing you want to do is you want to choose your mixed number. I chose 5 seconds, ND, your fraction, ND, and I'm going to choose 4, just make it easy, 4, and then I'm going to hit enter. 7. Okay, I'm going to put in a better number, okay? So the number I'm going to put in is 11 seconds, ND, 10, ND, 8. Okay, so that's what I put in. Hello. And then I'm gonna hit second table, enter. 12.25. Okay guys, so that's what I learned. I also learned how to turn it on. Well, I've been knew how to turn it on, but I know how to clear it. It's basically just clear. Oh my goodness, I was so scared that wasn't filming. Yeah, you guys, I'm going to continue learning this calculator. I also learned how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. So there's so much stuff that goes on before you want to go and take the math test. You know, you don't want to say, okay, I got my calculator, I figure out when I'm there. I got my calculator, I know how to use it. Even if you think you know how to use it, or maybe you do, I don't know. It's just me. I'll be so scared. I'll be like, I'm going to refresh myself, you know? Same way you refresh yourself with things like notes before an exam or a test. But yeah, it's super easy actually, and I still have a while before I have to actually take a test. Well enough time to learn all of this and refresh my memory on some of the maths. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want to bore you because this video is not the funnest. I just wanted to let you guys know where I've been, like where I'm at in the stage of my GED journey. I really hope that not this test coming up tomorrow, but the next one after that is the last one I have to take, you guys. I am hoping. I'm like so tired of it already. Not tired, like lazy tired, like I don't want to do it, but just more like it's very fearful. Like it's getting me, you know, it's getting me. I'm very nervous. It's getting me. I'm like, oh, I'm so nervous, I'm shaking, I don't want to go through this. You know, it's easy to just shaking out, but that'd be horrible. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm talking way too much, you guys. Have a great day.